channel Anvi Crafts and Cooking, and today I'm going to be giving you a a review of the MI band, HRX edition, and sorry my voice is a little hoarse today. Sorry about that. So let's get started with this video. I'm so excited. So this is the packaging of the Amazon. I just got it. Really, and so we are gonna make, so yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is it. And my HRX edition. Go down. Okay, let's just open this up. And I'm very bad at packages, so yeah. Yeah, but this is I'm very bad at this. Yeah, got that up. So you've got the MI band here. And according to how much I know about this band, you're supposed to attach, like, you know, so you're gonna suppose this, you know, like connect it with one of your phones which you have, and yeah, it's got a GPS. It's awesome, and I'm just asking my mom to open this up. So the new MI HRX edition has step tracking. It's got, like, suppose if you haven't walked for a long time, idle alert. It's got a call and notification alert. It's got sleep register, calories burned. It cares of your fitness. Plus, it shows you the time. Yes, it's an awesome watch to buy. Whoa, I love it. It's awesome. And the price is this. This open, my mom, and yeah. So this is the thing, like. So yeah, and I am so happy. So this is the main part, which shows it's got the digital scannings and stuff. And then you have the band, which is pretty cute, and you're just gonna fit that in. So, and then you have to open that, and we've got this. And you got charger, I guess. I'm not sure what is it. Okay, literally I'm not sure. So yeah, that's the people. Yeah. So this is gonna show how you're gonna get it. So when this is a manual which you'll get with this, it can tell you how you can use it, connect it with your mom's phone. It's got a GPS. You know, and it also says you have to charge it. Yeah, it's awesome. It's gonna be using Bluetooth. The connection type is Bluetooth 4.0 BLE. Yeah. So yes, and let's see. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, and it's got all the instructions. So let me just figure this out, and I'll share it later. So guys, that's pretty much it, and I have to first charge it with using this. It's got this charger, you can see, and this is the thing, and you're just gonna place it. It's got these two things, right? You can see that. And even this has got the same thing, so you're just gonna put that in like that. That will help in the charge. So place that in, yeah. And then I'm gonna charge it, and after that, I can just attach it to this and use it. So I'm gonna put the link of this down in the description box, so you can even buy the MI band. It's awesome. Hope you guys buy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye. Yay.